excited for Tunes?
Of course, it's our first movie. So, sobrang kami kinakabahan and we hope you get to support our movie. Pwede naman kayo mag-inclusion na. Pinintay mo kami! Pero, parang nahiya ka sa akin. Pero alam ko naman susupportahan kami ng advertisers sa mga kapamilya na nandito ngayon. So, yun, excited kami. It's gonna be our first movie and our third project together. And I just wanna say thank you to Paolo for doing this third project with me. So, yun, we're very happy and excited dahil malapit na po ito. It's under Star Cinema and directed by Direk Chad Vidal.
Nasabi na ni Kim. Ito, message sa mga Kim supporters naman.